Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find factors of polynomial 6y square minus 19y minus 20. So our given polynomial is 6y square minus 19y minus 20. So this here we can see the highest degree is 2. So two factors will come. Let us solve it by factorizing. So we can see that if we write the middle term, this 19 minus 19y as minus 24y plus 5y, then it remains minus 19y. So we can write it like this. Now we can see in first two terms 6y is common. So let's take that common. So y minus 4 will be the remaining term, and in the third and fourth term 5 is common, so y minus 4. So we can see y minus 4 is common in both the terms, so y minus 4 and 6y plus 5. So these are the two factors of the given polynomials. Hence we can say that the factors are 6y plus 5 and y minus 4. So this is our answer.